In this video, we're going to have a look at finding a set of values which satisfy two quadratic inequalities. Now, the first thing we need to do is actually solve both of these quadratic inequalities so that we can then compare the two to each other. So I'm going to start by factorising these so I can find the critical values and then I can find the inequalities that go with that. So the first equation will factorise into x plus 7, x minus 3. And this means that my critical values are x equals minus 7 and x equals positive 3. And if I draw a quick sketch to help me with my inequality, I've got minus 7 and positive 3. And we're looking for the part of the graph that satisfies the inequality being less than 0. So that's the part below the axes. So this means that my inequality is minus 7 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 3. So now let's do the same with the second inequality. So I'm going to factorise this. So I'm going to have x minus 1 and x minus 8. So this gives me critical values of x equals 1 and x equals 8. Again, I'm going to just do a quick sketch to help me identify my values. So this time my quadratic is above the axes, it's greater than 0. So my solutions are going to be x is less than 1 and x is greater than 8. Now, the easiest way to visualise which values satisfy both of these inequalities is to use a number line. So I'm going to draw a quick number line and put these inequalities onto that number line. So let's start with a basic number line. Now my first inequality goes between minus 7. So I'm going to put a closed circle on minus 7 all the way up to positive 3. So that is my inequality for the first one. Now my second one is x is less than 1. So I'm going to have an open circle here and an arrow. And the second one is x is bigger than 8. Again, I've got an open circle. Now we're looking for the numbers where these two inequalities actually match up. So we can see that when x is less than 1, all the way down to x equals minus 7 is satisfied by both inequalities. So what this means is the inequality that satisfies both of these equations is when x is less than 1 but greater than minus 7. And just watch out for your signs with included and not included.